Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a wish list in your Shopify down theme. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. So here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, marketing and discounts. And also here under sales channels, you're going to find online store, point of sales, applications, and also settings. So if you go here to themes, right here, you're going to find uh, your store theme. As you can see, guys, I have the down theme right now. So right now, in order to be able to add a wish list to your store, first of all, go to apps or applications, click on add applications, and then go here to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to your Shopify App Store. So right now, just go here to the top, and then uh, click on the search bar, and then you can search for wish list. Once you do that, hit enter. And then once you do that, you're going to find all of the available applications right here that will help you to add a wish list to your store. So right now, I'm going to choose Wishlist Plus, and then you can install it. I already have it installed, so I'm going to click on open. And then once you click on open, as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to use the application to add a wish list to your store. So right now, first of all, you need to go to your dashboard, and then here you need to set up your wish list application. So just click on proceed with setup, and then just follow the steps. So the first step is to add your wishlist button, launch point, and also wishlist page. So just follow the steps, and then you're going to be able to add your wishlist. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.